Hi everybody, my name's Jim. Welcome back to Jim James Games. We're going to open up some Magic the Gathering Jumpstart 2022. See how we do. We're going to start doing a little bit of Magic as well. Kind of add a little spice to it other than just Pokemon. Paldea Evolved just released not too long ago for those that do keep up with the Pokemon. I have not been able to get a hold of any yet, but we're going to do some magic in the meantime. Gonna open up this whole entire box of Jumpstart 2022, see if we can get anything good. Not exactly sure which ones are good. I know Tiny Bones and Jumpstart, like the original Jumpstart, was the good one to get. There's quite a few other just random good knickknacks in here. Let's see if we can pull any of those. So we start off. Oh, they all have this like little inner seal too, but we got fangs. For those of you who don't know about Jumpstart, you basically just buy 2 packs. Everything's in them. You just put them together and you can play. So it's a little fun game you can do. See if I can get this open. All right. So first we got Rodolph Duthminger, Oathsworn Vampire, Feast of Blood, Bloodthirsty. That guy's actually really good. We got Noble, Creepy Bloodsucker, which commons in this. Thriving Warren. Here's the lands that are actually damaged. Let's see, yeah, there's a good chunk of these cards in this pack that are, you can see right up here in the corners. Man, unfortunate. Very unfortunate. Alright. Hopefully not all of them are like that. We'll see what the next one brings us. We got Cruel. You don't really see from the outside. No, don't see it on this one. Alright, good. Termination Facilitator. Feast of Fallen. That guy's actually really good. Talent of Pain. There's Ob. And some more Swamps. Sorry, that's not too bad. I just can't get past that those little corners there. That's all dinged up. That's okay. Alright, well, we start off with 2 black packs. See if we can move on to something a little bit better. See if we can get some blue. I know Ristic Studies in this set. This pack is not one to open up very well. Been a minute since I made a video. I know since it's the first time Magic, there's going to be probably a lot of Magic people coming. We got vehicles. Oh, we got a Mythic. We got a Lita. And a Peacekeeper Colossus. So it doesn't have all the damage on the sides, which is good. Built to Last. Giant Ox. And a whole bunch of planes. Move on to the next. See if we can get something good in this pack. Maybe. This sulfane in the center or inside giving me all sorts of trouble today. Inventive, Steel Overseer, Thopter Spy, and we got the Spell Bomb, and there's a whole bunch of things, but we did get a Seat of the Senate, which is definitely a good one to have. Artifact lands are pretty sweet. Been opening up a lot of the other more recent sets. So this one does not want to open up very well. Let's give it a little help here. There we go. Been really enjoying Phyrexian LB1. I think the card's actually really good in it, and I really do like the lands on top of it. As we got an Emil the Blessed. See if we get anything decent out of here. No, just Thriving Heath and a whole bunch of lands. All right, but been really enjoying Phyrexian LB1. March of the Machines, the newest set that's been out for a little bit now. I just don't see much in that set to be like wowed by. I do like Brothers War. It's not bad. We got goblins here. We got Kreko, the mob boss. Goblin Grenade, such a good one. Definitely used in a Pioneer, I believe, is the no, maybe it's Modern, where you basically sacrifice goblins and artifacts to make the goblin tokens, and just play a bushwhacker to pump your goblins and do a bunch of damage. Pretty quick. Just a kind of little fun deck. I don't think it's like stupid competitive, but it can definitely pick up some wins randomly. Oh, we got experimental here. Ignite the Future and Mizzix Replicator Rider. Oh, we have the Pyromancer. Seize a Storm. And we got a Firebolt and a whole bunch of mountains. That one has some weird stuff on the sides there. See that? First box Jumpstart 2022, and it's being a little weird, having some damage packs and some weird stuff on cards. Not quite what you want to see. Quality control, not the greatest, and it hasn't been the greatest in Magic for a while, unfortunately. They're just trying to pump out too much too quick. I feel like since the collector boxers started coming out, it's been really downhill. We got Dredge Presence, Nesgul, some rats, and a whole bunch of lands. So far, not been hitting the greatest of Jumpstart 2022. See if we can get us like a heuristic study here to help push us back up. Oh, another experimental. There's another Mizzix. Spark Mage. There's another Firebolt. Was that 2 experimentals? I do know that even though you get like the experimental at the beginning, like there's like multiple different variants of that. So, I mean, I do like that. I know there's like a ton of different combinations that you can have with this. We got Gigantic. It doesn't seem that bad. Whenever you cast a creature spell with mana value 5 or greater, this creature enters the battlefield with X additional +1/+1 counters on it, where X is mana value -4. Be fun with like this kind of little format. Play a little ramp, some big ones. It's always fun, especially in Commander. Playing dinosaurs, pretty sweet. Dinosaurs and dragons. Just pump out the big boys. Alright, we got Law this time. Oh, we got the Hound of Khanda. Been a while since I've seen that guy. We got the Truth Seeker. Arrest. Definitely some older cards in this set. So I started playing Magic back when Mirrodin first came out. Like the original Mirrodin. So, oh man, like 18 years, something like that. On and off. Played Legacy pretty heavy when I first started. We got Blink, Preston the Vanisher, Faith Fetters, and that's about it. Moving on. Fortunately, this box has not been treating us too well so far. I don't know, we're maybe approaching like the a little over a third of the way. Think again. Sky Dreamer, Sailor, Fairies, Fairies Protege, Desert of the Mindful, Cycling Land. Otherwise, nothing much. Kind of hoping for that risk study, not gonna lie. I know there's quite a few uncommons in this set. That's a little valuable. There we go. That's a good guy. I remember when Pioneer was fairly new. This guy was a boss. That was a decent pack. It's been a minute since I played Pioneer. To be honest with you, I really do like Pioneer. I played Legacy a lot when I first started playing. I didn't really play Modern because when Modern was new, I was definitely playing more Legacy. So we got the Rat, Ashcoat. It's a good guy. Slumlord. Some Crypt Rats, some more rats, and more rats, and more rats. But, I don't know, just playing a game of Legacy and Modern, to me, you spend a majority of your game time shuffling your deck. I really despise fetch lands just because of that reason. They just take so much extra time to play the game. It's unreal. So I really did enjoy Pioneer because of that. Unfortunately, the time that Pioneer came out wasn't the greatest timing due to what happened in the world. But now that's slowing down. Everything's getting back to normal. I mean, Pioneer, hopefully they start pumping a lot of stuff into Pioneer. Help bring it back, make it popular. Just see if we can fire off some tournaments in the local area. It'll be fun. We got Fangs, the Dustbringer, and the Blood Tracker. Some Rights, Envoy, and a bunch of lands. Alright, this looks about like the 2/3 mark. Been a minute since I made a video. This is running a little slow. We're 14 minutes in. We got Detective. We got the Shimmer Dragon. And a whole bunch of lands. No Ristic Study yet. Got about 6 more packs to go. 6 more chances for that Ristic Study. I know we had some decent stuff. The Rats ones was actually pretty good. And Getting Master Splinter there at the start. Oh man, this packaging. Inventive again. Oh, we got a hangerback walker. There we go. Launch mishap. Juggernaut. That's an old school guy. Remember watching some old tournaments where that was the guy, Juggernaut. He was the big brute that took down people. Just crazy seeing throughout the years the power level has just creeped, and not even really creeped, like it just exploded upwards. Think again. No, not in that case, but we got Jace, Arcane Strategist, Spectral Sailor, the Fairy, Searing Visions. And a whole bunch of lands. I do like that. I like Jace. Just all around, I like Jace. Did I mention I do not like this cellophane? Like this wrapping inside? We got Treasure. We got Professional Face Breaker. Yikes. Alright. A whole bunch of picks. The last 3 packs. See if we can get this done in less than 20 minutes this time. Probably half this time is me trying to open this little small pack. So we got insects. We got Dead Bridge Goliath, Phantom Nantaku, and some uncommons and commons. Alright, 2 packs left. Still no Ristic. We got insects again. Zask, the Swarm Lord. Got the Caterpillar. Another Caterpillar. There's a whole bunch of caterpillars in these insects ones. Alright. What do you think? You think this last one's going to be insects again? Go 3 for 3 at the end, just big duds. Oh, we got dragons. So give us something good in dragons. Let's go. Laughless the Dragon Queen. And a Dragon's Horde. We at least got some dragons. Scorching Dragonfire was so good. Throne of Eldraine was amazing. But that'll do it for this video. I want to thank you all for watching and staying with me. I know it's a little slow starting back up, but I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.